Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Friday, 16 January 2026. Nifty index opened negative but improved on the momentum in the initial half of the session, which was followed by some exhaustion at 26,800. It sunk in the latter part of the day but respected its support of the previous session at 25,600. It formed a small-bodied candle almost like a doji on the daily frame with longer upper shadow, indicating lack of follow-up at the higher zones. India VIX was up by around 1.1% to 11.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.81. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,100 marks, while immediate range could be in between 25,500 to 25,900. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,713 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,056 crores. FII's index long-short ratio is hovering near 8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty holds above 25,600, some bounce could be seen towards 25,800 and 26,000 marks, while support can be seen at 25,500. Bank Nifty has to cross and hold above 59,750 for the next up move towards 60,000 levels, while support can be seen at 59,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in MCX, Nalco, Vedanta, Hindustan Zinc, Axis Bank, Eternal, Lupin and Union Bank. While some weakness could be seen in TVS Motors, Sun Pharma, Lodha, Irida, IRCTC, Indigo and Godrej Properties. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.